big bow.
It's Easter morning.
What is this, man? What do you think's inside? What is it? Should we open it? This is the card. Let's see. Want to open the card first? Look. It says Liam. That's your name.
Thanks, pal.
This is from Granny and Papa and Aunt Victoria. Ready? See if I can open it for you. What's inside? What's inside? You gotta look. What's inside?
Ooh, buddy.
Wow, look at that. A ball. Wow, a shiny new ball. You gonna bounce it?
Wow, buddy, sweet.
Whoa. Yay. You say thank you? Whoa. I'm gonna play with that outside today. Oh, I think I just said the word. What else? Liam, you got something else in here. Oh, this might be for later in the summer. A fishing pole. Look.
Ooh, what are we gonna catch, pal?
Exciting. Yay. Woo. Hold your fishing pole. Cool. Look at Liam, there's a little fishy. It's a...
We'll put that in the pool, buddy.
Yeah, and you'll be able to catch your little fish. Whoa! Happy Easter! Thank you, guys.